Hey, Mark the Meerkat here with the trade of the day. It was on a bear pullback on MSTR. Let's take a look here at MSTR just after opening. It was up like 13% and then it fell down here and then it was doing a bear pullback and the markets were rolling down as well. So I set up a trade just below this R1 pivot line. Different lesson on pivot lines. And here we are. If it breaks down below that, I want to get short. Here we go. Let's see what happened next. And bam, here, look at this. I'm in at 517.34. I am short. And then look at this. Bam, bam, bam. These are 1 minute candles, by the way. So 1 minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes later, it'll come all the way down here to 490. I'm in at 517. This is great. So I have to stop here. I'm going to be bringing it down right here, just above this 500 even dollar amount as it's basing down here, and just above the 8 EMA. So I'm just at the 503.60 area. And let's see what happened after that. And then it fell down again here from that 490 area. Now here's the closing line, and the yellow line is the pivot line and the closing line, and it's just resting right in that area, going back and forth, back and forth, and back and forth. Bringing my stop down here to the $483.23 area, and that's just above where it had bounced up off of the closing line, but it's hanging down here, hanging down here, hanging down here. So then let's see what happened next. And boom, stopped out and at 483.25 was my fill. And so let's take a look at this whole trade real quickly here. We did a bear pullback. When it broke below this line of support, I got short. It was basing down here. I pulled my stop down, and then it dropped again to the closing line. So it had completely filled that 13% gap up from pre-market, and then started to roll back up finally. And I got out for a total of 6.6% in 23 minutes. Whoo! Doggies. Hey, if you want to trade with us in the Grok day trading chat room and do trades like this, I'm in there coaching people all along, and you'll be with other Grok graduates of our mentoring program. Just go to groktrade.com, groktrade.com, where the savvy traders are educated. Hey, you can even talk to our Grok girl here. We got she can answer all of your questions. She's very, very intelligent there. And she's there to answer all of your questions. But you can go to our, our mentoring program, or you can go here to our Grok Grad chat room, and it's free. You can be there. If you can be in front of the markets between, say, 9 o'clock and 10:30 Eastern time, it'd be different for you there on the West Coast. We have a lot of West Coasters in the chat room, and you can join us. Even if you're not a day trader, you can learn, what kind of trades people are placing, why they're placing them, and I'm in there coaching people as well. So you can read all about it here, and again, it's a lot of like-minded traders. You can come in, we can talk about what we see. We do a setup in the morning as to what stocks are moving today that we may want to consider day trading, and then we again, all of these Grok graduates have trading rules that they're following to give them put the odds in their favor when they enter, so you can find out what they're doing. And again, just fill out your name here. You get 6 weeks free, no charge, and you can be there whatever days you can be there. So that's it. Just remember that this is not rocket surgery. That is that trading in a systematic, logical approach is a learnable skill. And you can, we are a trading education company. You can come join Grok Trade, find out about our mentoring program and how we do it. And all the members of the chat room are previous graduates of our mentoring program, and they're continuing to expand their knowledge as they trade live the markets with us. So this is Mark the Meerkat. Trade well.